So how to order products from your dashboard if you're a member, or even if you're not an affiliate or so, they can order products here. Okay, we all have the shop inside our dashboard. So you click that shop, and then you have to go down, scroll down, and pick whatever products you like. So for this instance, they're ordering two-factor 4. This member is already an affiliate for a month now. So when you click this green button, this pop-up will show up. So the order is 2 bottles. So you click the drop down arrow here and choose 2, and then you add to cart. So as you can see here, you have a pop-up again that slides out. If you need more products to order, you can continue shopping over here on the bottom right, or you could check out if you like. Okay, so he wanted more products, so I'm gonna click continue shopping. So we just have to close this one, and the other order is the red, okay, over here. And so just one red, so I need to add to cart. And as you can see, there's another thing there that slides. You can also see your order over here, okay, on the top cart. Click that so you can see this again. Sometimes it's wiping out, sometimes it's not staying that long on the swipe. Okay, so once you click that again, you can go and check out if you think you have already picked what you like. So for these 3 products, okay, we have 1 and 2 over here. So we have only $14.57 shipping and handling. Okay, these products are coming from Florida, and this order, this account, which is our member, here's the name, Pablo Diamat, is in California. So here is the shipping cost. It's only $14.57. In some websites that I know, you're paying a flat rate of I think 7 to 9 per product. So with LiveGood, when you order by cluster or by multiple products, this is so low for a shipping cost. Okay, now, so since he is in California, let's say he wanted to ship it to a family in the Philippines, all you have to do is change user info over here to be delivered to that person. Okay, and you have to change the address over there. Oh, here is the address. You can change the address here to any country you would like if that is a relative. But again, if that is a customer, you should just, give them your shop. Okay, shop. You have a personal shop when you are an affiliate member. If you're just a member who's availing for the discounted products, you didn't pay the $40 one-time affiliate fee, you're not gonna earn as a business center owner. Okay, just a reminder, if you would like to check the other video explaining how you will earn $2,048 a month doing nothing, please do check that one and you will be surprised how much you will be earning from LiveGood. Okay, so I'm gonna process this order. It's gonna be on his address. Don't forget to tick this 2 boxes over here. You need to agree on the policy over here, and then place the order. Whatever debit or credit card you have on file, it will be charged to that payment card. Okay, if you have another card, you have to replace it over here. Okay, let's say that person has want to be charged with their own card, and then you can replace this card, but make sure to go to your info and change it again, because you don't want to charge that person with your monthly dues, okay, your monthly membership fee. So I'm gonna process this order. Click place order, and as you can see here, it says success and thank you for your order, 1 super red and 2 factor 4. So that's it, how to order products from LiveGood. Okay, so when it comes to your retail customer, just give the shop your let's see the website over here. Okay, if you're an affiliate member, you're gonna have your own shop. Here's the link. Okay, here's one of the link, LiveGood site. As you can see, you have your affiliate username. This is the landing page for everyone who would like to enroll. If they message you again and saying, I would like to become a business center owner or a franchisee or store franchise, to have a franchise. Now here is the retail shop. As you can see, please memorize. Look at that, shop. Okay, you can just type www.shoplivegood.com/username. I want you all to give this to those people who would like to test our products, okay? Because as soon as they like the products, they're going to enroll as an affiliate. But again, if they don't want to become an affiliate, they don't want to pay any membership, then they have to pay the retail price. So the good news here, you will get huge retail sales profit. Okay, that's gonna be 50% to 100% depending on the volume, your sales volume. Okay, so concentrate on sending this shop. Let them buy before they join you. Okay, but if you think that the person is looking for a business and you want to help them, earn from the comfort of their home, you got to give them this Powerline landing page. And the company will do the rest. Okay, they will be the one to follow up. They will be the one to, do the email marketing to your client, okay, to your inquiries. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Engineer Leth here in USA. If you want to join us, please click the link below, and welcome to the group. We have our chat room. We have for Filipinos, we have our chat room. We have also a chat room for international. We have a Telegram for the international. We have another group, the Facebook group. We also have that. Okay, experience the difference. This is something very, very good. These are factory price. Okay, avail of this factory price. God bless you all, and let's earn more. Bye bye.